In this tutorial, we will assemble the US Digital E8T Miniature Optical Kit Encoder. These instructions will also apply to the E4T kit. The components and tooling are smaller, but the process is the same. Your E8T kit includes the mounting base, a cover, a printed circuit board, a hub disk, a spacer tool, a centering tool, and 2 mounting screws. It's possible that your disks will come packaged in a large tray such as this, and it's also possible that the printed circuit boards will be mounted on a panel which is scored so that they will snap off easily. Let's get started with step 1, installing the mounting base to your motor. You'll notice I am wearing gloves to protect the optical components, as well as an ESD wrist strap. For the mounting base, we're going to first place the centering tool with the smaller side facing down towards the shaft until it comes in contact with the base. And then put the 2 included assembly screws through the base. I like to use a small screwdriver, it helps me guide them in there. And then while applying light pressure to the centering tool, we're going to tighten these down to 2 to 3 inch-pounds of torque. You can then remove the centering tool for later installations. In step 2, we will add the printed circuit board. Please note that the optical sensor here and the LED are very sensitive, so be careful not to touch those components. We're going to line up the 2 smaller holes with the 2 pins that are on the mounting base, and the PCB can be installed either direction onto those pins. In step 3, we're going to seat the printed circuit board. Using the spacer tool, press firmly down on the printed circuit board so that it's fully seated on the base. Repeat this step as needed. In step 4, we'll install the hub disk assembly. While installing the hub disk, verify that the hub bore is parallel to the shaft and not at an angle. Forcing the disk onto the shaft at an angle may cause permanent damage to the hub. With the longer side of the hub pointed down towards the motor, position the spacer tool above the hub disk assembly so that the spacer notches are aligned with the base latches. Press down firmly until the spacer tool rests on top of the printed circuit board. In the final step, after removing the centering tool, snap the cover onto the base, ensuring that the latches are fully engaged. The E8T assembly is now complete and ready for use. If you have any additional assembly questions, please contact our technical support team at 360-397-9999 or email support@usdigital.com.